Okay, we've been hiking, and this is a really beautiful place. It has a nature walk, but this particular trail has story walk, and I could always put maybe a small clip in what I've just did. I'll be posting the story, and maybe in different parts, because I think it's going to be a little long, even though I wasn't running my video the whole time. But we are at Whitewater State Park in Liberty, Indiana. If you come to Liberty, Indiana, must visit Jay's Restaurant. The food is amazing. People are nice.